proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech, just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining how to flash a Qualcomm Android device's firmware using Miracle Box. To do this, you need to have your Miracle Box. You also need to have the firmware which you intend to flash, and you need to have installed your Qualcomm USB drivers. We have a guide on how to do that. Now, once you have all these in place, you launch Miracle Box and you wait for the dashboard to come up. Good. Now once Miracle Box comes up, you click on the Qualcomm tab and then you click on the flashing tab. Now you will notice that port is empty, so you need to load that entry. Now to do that, you launch Windows start menu and you search for device manager. You just press the window button, search for device manager, and you launch device manager. In device manager, you take note of the ports that you have available. Now you boot the device into EDL mode, then you connect it to the PC via USB cord. Now device will get detected as Qualcomm HS-USB QDLoader 9008. Now once you have this, you go back to Miracle Box and then you click on ports, and now the device will get detected. Now next, you untick auto, then you click on the right flash tab. Now you click this browse icon in front of programmer and navigate to the firmware folder. Now in the firmware folder, you select the programmer file and you click on open. You click the browse icon for RawProgram, you select the RawProgram file, click on open, and then you do the same for patch file. Select patch file, click open. Now you should have a list of partitions to be flashed, a list of files to be flashed. Alright, on this list. Now you tick EDL mode, then you click start button. Now the Miracle Box should start flashing the files to the device. Just sit back and let Miracle Box flash. Don't interrupt the process. Alright, I have all done, so flashing is complete. You can now disconnect the device. Now if you want to flash a specific file, I have all done. Now if you want to flash a specific file to a specific partition, you use the custom flasher option. That for that you click on the custom flasher tab. I'll walk you through that quickly. Now in this tab you untick auto programmer. Under the custom flasher you untick auto programmer, then you click the browse icon in front of programmer. You select the programmer file, you highlight it, click open. Now for files to write, you click the browse icon, you navigate to your firmware folder, select the file you wish to flash. For this example I'll be using boot.img, so I open. Then under select partition you select the boot image, select boot here. Good. Now you tick write partition and then you click start button. Then you wait while Miracle Box flashes the file to the partition. So I have process done. So that's how to flash a Qualcomm Android device's firmware using Miracle Box.